So in this video we try to start work with Docker. We will know how we can install Docker on the Linux. I got Linux. How we can pull image from the DockerHub and start container from this DockerHub and try to start some web application or something else. So first of all we need to install the Docker. We can go to the official docker.com and search what we need. Our option container runtime. First of all, it's workable and it's all of we need. We can browse and surf this data for known little bit more, but let's start to do something concrete. Okay, I got the Linux. It is Ubuntu. You can see it in the system information. And what we need to say, okay, Google, install Docker Ubuntu. Yes, I search and I choose this material because it is from official Docker documents. And first of all, of course, we need to update our system. Sudo apt and just update. Yes, update. Yes, what we see, he updated all of the repositories and he's almost ready to work. Next, we need to install some features for the Docker. Some feature I'm already got, and in your case you can see the some installation process. Okay, after that we need to add the GPG-K. I think it needs for possibility download the image from DockerHub. Speaking about DockerHub, is like a GitHub, but for storing DockerHub image. Okay, what else? Next step, we can add the fingerprint, but if you have no necessity to install the fingerprint device features, you can just skip it. Okay, next one, we need to add the repository. Yes, it is already added. After that, we've got the some update process. And we need finally install the Docker. Yes, it is downloaded, and now it's unpacking process, and I think right now we will see the installed Docker. Long process. Okay. Yes, now I got installed Docker. Best way, you can make exit and start again your system, but it's not necessary. Okay, what else? What next? According information in the documentation and some guidelines, according some guidelines, you have to make hello world operation. It means just pull the hello world image from Docker Hub and nothing. But in our case, let's do something more useful. For example, let's try to start some web container. Okay, what we have to do? We can search image in Docker Hub, for example. Okay, I'm a big fan of the Apache. Let's image. Yes, now we see all of the found images. You can see them. HTTPD, it means it's some micro, I hope it is some micro server with the Apache, and how we can see a lot of stars, and it is official about Docker work with Docker, and let it be HTTPD. What we have to do? Docker run. We can first of all pull him, but we can start from run. First of all, we can check what we've got. This command will print all of the containers on my machine. As we can see, I have nothing, and this command will output all of the pulled images on my machine. I'm already got the HTTPD. Okay, let's run. You can do it from the run command. Okay, right now we can recheck what I got. I'm in images, and it should be null list. Yes, empty list. I have no any images, and I have no any containers, running containers. Yes, okay, let's run HTTPD. What we've got to do, docker run, and then we have to describe the mode. We choose the daemon mode. What it means, our container will be run as daemon without capture of our terminal window and our machine, you know. Okay, and then we have to make port forwarding. As I remember, HTTPD running on the 8 port, and we let it be let it be 555, and the name of the image HTTPD. What happens? First of all, he tried to find him locally, and after that he download HTTPD image from the DockerHub. Let's check. Yes, now we've got this image, and now we've got the running container. We also can try to check it. Yes, he's running. Okay, let's try to work with him. What of our address? And our port 555. Yes, it works. Okay, let's start in parallel something else. For example, some application server. I would like to try the Tomcat. Let's search the Tomcat. Yes, he exists. Docker run daemon port forwarding from 8080 to 777. Let it be. And Tomcat start. Yes, in this case process will be little bit longer because Tomcat little bit bigger than HTTPD light server. After that we will see, I hope we will see the response page, web page of Tomcat. We won't to trying to start some Java application under this Tomcat. We will try to start parallel few HTTPD and few Tomcats and approve and get approve it works. And we'll try to start him and delete. long process. Okay, pull complete, pull complete, pull complete. New Tomcat. It is some ID of container. Let's check. PS. Yes, this is running containers, and you also can use the K for output all of the running before and running now containers. As you can see, I got a lot of the exercises, a lot of the workout with the Docker. Okay, let's try to check the Tomcat. Okay, what is port 777? Yes, looks like it works. What's the next? Okay, let's try to stop him and them. I mean, all of our containers, and trying to create Docker file. Okay, what we've got? Okay, 2 containers, Docker stop, and we have to use the short form container ID. Yes, stop it, and the next one. Yes, now we have nothing who is run. Okay, where we are, let's create a folder for our Docker files. Main Docker files. Here is it. Okay, we have nothing. Empty. Okay, and after that you can make it by your favorite editor. Okay, file have to be called Dockerfile without extension. And little trick, I am already found in the internet the next one, and we're using him. What will happen? From means Docker will try to make the container, start container from this image, as you know, as you already know from the DockerHub. And then he will update him. Yes, it is standard bash commands. By this command we will create file index HTML and add to him this string. Let it be little bit interested. 1st December. Yes. And right now we will create image from our Docker file. Okay, let's check our images. Yes, HTTPD and Tomcat. And right now we will create our image Docker build -t. After that, name of this image, let it be called start. And the tag, we have to describe the tag. You can watch the latest. If we will skip it, I think it will be latest by default, but let it be version 1. And after that, dot. What it means, it's like a trying to find Docker files in here, in this folder. What happening next? As you remember, by the keyword from, Docker goes to the to the DockerHub and try to find this image. He found him, and now he download him, and after installing he will execute our command. Yes, you can see him. It can be long term if your internet not so fast. Yes, this is all of installed packages, some updating operations. By this way, we can create our image and upload him to the DockerHub, for distribution your images or just for you, like GitHub. You can upload your code, and now you can upload your image like a program code. It's really useful. A lot of companies using the internal DockerHub for distributing these images between the department. For example, for giving your images to the quality assurance team, for example. Yes, done. Docker images. Yes, now we see our cold start version 1 image. As you can see, after compiling our Docker file, Docker download the Amazon Linux image for building our cold start. Okay, let's start our cold start image container. Docker run -d daemon mode, port forwarding from 8 to 2.111, let it be, and our image file version 1. Yes, looks like it's running. Let's try to watch him. Okay, let's try to start our image container. Okay, docker run -d daemon mode, port forwarding, let it be 1212, and name of our image and version, this version tag. If we will not describe the tag, he will try to search the latest. Yes, looks like he's run. Let's try to check him. Yes, he's running. What else? Let's imagine the real situation when you need download some image, start container, make some changes for current release, and commit these changes into the DockerHub. But we will be limited of the creating the new image from running container. Let's see on images. Yes, it is our image and images, and let's start one container from one of the images. Daemon mode, port forwarding. maybe with version. Yes, now he's running. What else? Now we need to go to inside of this container and make the changes. How we can do it? Docker exec interactive mode, ID of container, for example, bin bash for making some commands. Yes, now we on the running container, let's imagine, where we are. Okay, you can remember it is a web application server, and in this way we can go to the HTML files, I think, for HTML. This is our index, right? Yes. Let's make some changes. For example, you can use nano or v. I will go to some other way, some fastest, but not correct, almost incorrect. Not secure way. Yes, and now we can silly mistake. Yes, and now we can see our changes. Let's exit. Let's check this container. Let's check the changes. Yes, this is our changes. And now we can make the image from our running container. How we can do it? We have to use the name of container as a source name and make our new image. Let's see, now we've got the cold start version 1, and let's do the next, let's make next changed image. Docker commit ID of container and new version of our image. Yes, what happened? Now we've got the other cold start version, second version with our changes. Let's try to check it. Docker images. You see, it is our changed image. Now we can distribute him for possibility to start him by the quality assurance guys. Let's try to do it in daemon mode. Run port forwarding. We'll start version 2. Looks like he's run it. Yes. And let's check him. Yes, here is our running Docker with the changed files. It is really useful feature. Okay, let's stop him. Let's remove our images and our containers. How we can to do it? Docker stop this container. and Docker stop the next container. No running containers. And let's delete images. Docker RMI remove images. HTTPD, for example. He can't be removed because he using for the other container. Let's check it again. I'm in containers. Yes, Docker RM. Let's remove all of the containers. Okay, let's remove all of the HTTPD used containers. Okay, now it's removed, he's removed, and now we can try to remove this image. I mean HTTPD, RMI, HTTPD. Yes, now it's deleted. He is deleted. You can delete the next one. Okay, it is not necessary to do it now. You can do it by yourself. Okay, in the next video I think we will have some workouts with the Docker files and some operations with the DockerHub. Bye bye.